Hey guys, Brett here, and in this video I'm doing a review of a new cloud-based software called VidEngage. So what exactly is VidEngage? Well, as you could probably tell by the name of the product, it's a software that's designed to get more engagement to your videos. And more engagement to your videos is a good thing because video converts better than any other content type. So if you can get people to start watching your videos or continue to watch your videos, you are going to get more sales, you're going to get more opt-ins, you're just going to get better results. Now, VidEngage is something that's really hard to explain, but really easy to show. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you exactly how it works. So right here, I'm in VidEngage and I'm creating a new campaign. And I'm actually going to use a post on my blog to show you how this works. So here is the blog post, and the blog post follows the format that I always use. I have my headline, I have my review video, and then I have the main text body of my review. Now, what I really want people to do is watch the video because video gets more results than text content. But I have the text content here mostly for Google because if I don't have text content, there's going to be nothing for Google to index and I'm not going to get any search engine traffic. But what I really want is this video to be watched. The problem is that people are naturally curious. So when they come to my review, they're naturally going to start scrolling around and looking at the graphics and stuff like that. And the video gets out of sight. And out of sight means out of mind. What I really want is my video to always be available to these people so that they could watch it or continue to watch it no matter where they're at, whether they're scrolling around or not. So let me go ahead and show you exactly how VidEngage works. So you can see I'm creating a new campaign right here. And I've named my campaign Social Traffic Alchemy since I'm going to use it on my review blog for Social Traffic Alchemy. I have my video source selected, and there are actually a couple of video sources. I could use YouTube, Vimeo, or I could upload my own MP4. I'm just going to use YouTube because that's what I use for all of my review videos. It's then going to ask me for my video ID. And anybody that's used any of my own software already knows what a YouTube video ID is. Let me go ahead and click on next. It's then going to ask me if I want a bar, and a bar is a call to action bar. I'm going to leave that off, but I do want to have a custom call to action bar. So I want to have my own text and my own custom link. And you can see I've entered my text, which is simply click here. I have my link, which is my JVZoo affiliate link. So that way, if people click it, they will go over to the sales page and I will get a credit as a JVZoo affiliate if they happen to buy the product. It's going to ask me for things like the font that I want for my custom text. And honestly, the font is one thing that I don't particularly like the way they did. You can see there are tons of fonts here. There's so many here. And most of these I never even heard of. The problem is that there's no preview for the font. So it'd be great if there was like a couple of characters here, just maybe A, B, C, D, or just a couple of letters here that I can preview the font. So when I select a new font, I could see what the font's going to look like ahead of time. The way it is right now, there's all these fonts available to me, but I don't really know what they're going to look like until I actually finish setting everything up. So I'm just going to go ahead and pick one at random though. Arizona sounds interesting. And you know what? Also, I'm going to change this link because I think this is the wrong link. So let me get the right link here. Take it back over to VidEngage, paste it right in there. And then I have my button color set to red to match my site. And I have the font color to be white, which should look good. So let me go ahead and click on next. It's going to ask me if I want my video to autoplay. I'm going to leave that set to no because I personally don't like autoplay videos on my blog. It's going to ask me for a main video size and a small video size. And you'll notice that there are two video sizes, and why they have two different video sizes is going to make a lot more sense in a minute. So let me just go ahead and click on save and get code. And I can now get my VidEngage video code. So I'm going to copy this, take it back over to my blog. And what I'm going to do now is edit this blog post. So I'll go ahead and click on edit article. I'm going to make sure that I'm in text mode, and instead of having the YouTube iframe here, what I'm going to do is replace that with my VidEngage video code. Now let's go ahead and preview this change and you'll see right away what VidEngage does. I'll go ahead and click on preview. Okay, so initially everything looks the same. I have my headline still, I have my main video still right here. This looks like exactly the same article. It looks like I didn't make any changes. But you might notice I said I have my main video. Watch what happens now when I scroll past the video. Watch what will happen if somebody comes here and doesn't initially engage with my video and starts reading the article or going past the video, which I want them to watch. Go ahead and scroll past, and as soon as the video gets out of view, it pops up in the lower right hand corner. So the video is now always available for them to watch. The main content, the main thing that I want them to interact with is always on the screen view. They never can scroll past it. It's always right there. Even better, if I'm playing the video and I scroll past it, it will still continue to play in the lower corner. If I pause it here, it will also pause up there. What VidEngage does, it actually makes a clone of my main video and will put it in either the lower right hand corner, upper right hand corner, upper left hand corner, or lower left hand corner, whichever I choose. So that way my video is always available for people to see. And also I have this call to action, click here, always available for people to see. So now I have the most interactive content always in front of the people's faces, and I have a call to action button that links to my JV Zoo affiliate link always in front of people. Also, I think it adds a nice touch of professionalism to the video, especially with the way it works, especially how it only shows when I scroll past the video, and then once I scroll up to the video again, it will go away on its own. So I think it makes the site look a little more professional, and I know it's going to get more video views and probably more affiliate clicks since I always have that clickable call to action link there. Now, if I wanted to write something like this custom, I probably could write my own custom JavaScript or my own custom code to make this work, but I'd have to change it for every single post and for every single video that I do. I'd have to, rewrite the custom code. VidEngage makes it really easy to add this functionality to your website. You can see it only took me like 4 minutes, and I probably could have done it a lot faster if I wasn't talking as I was doing it. Another thing that I like about this is that it's not some super crazy hypey thing that people just thought up and said, oh, we'll make a product on. This is something that actually makes sense. It makes sense to have your video in front of people as much as possible, and it makes sense to have a clickable link in front of people as much as possible. It's pretty obvious that doing that is going to result in more video engagement and more clicks to your link. So who exactly do I think this is going to be good for? Well, anybody that has a video on a web page is going to benefit from this. Anybody that wants people to click a link is going to benefit from this. So that means anybody doing affiliate marketing, product reviews, or selling their own product with video on the sales page is going to benefit from using VidEngage. I really like this software. I think it's simple. But I think it's effective. I think it's got a good concept, and I think it's going to be useful for anybody using video on their website. Alrighty, guys, thank you and enjoy.